Hi everybody, welcome to Music Education Video. My name is Mr. Dave, and today we are going to tackle 4 types of triads. Okay, get your pens out. All right, 4 types of triads. A triad is 3-note chord, okay? So guys, write this down. Number 1 is major, number 2 is minor, number 3 is diminished, and number 4 is augmented. Good, guys. Now, these numbers on this side relate to where they are on the scale. This is the first part of the scale, 3rd and 5th. Okay, major is 1, 3, 5. Minor, 1, flat 3, 5. Diminished, 1, flat 3, flat 5. Augmented, 1, 3, plus 5. Okay, let's play that. Now, a major triad, guys, as you know from previous lessons, is C, E, G. Okay? And then the minor, you flat the 3rd. And the diminished, you flat the 5th. And then augmented, you jump back to 1, 3, plus 5. Augmented is a nice chord. Pop music. Good, okay? Now, this side of the diagram deals with half steps. Write it down. Major is 1 plus 4 plus 3. Minor, 1 plus 3 plus 4. Diminished, 1 plus 3 plus 3. Augmented, 1 plus 4 plus 4. Good. All right, now let's talk about that. The 1 means the starting note. There it is, 1. Add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's a major. That's a major triad, guys. Okay, the minor is 1, your starting note. It's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, diminished, 1. And then you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's a diminished. Okay, 1. That's a C. The augmented is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guys, you should know both those formulas. All right, that's the half-step formula, and the other one is how it relates to the scale. All right, here we go. Now, like I said from previous lessons, you know this. This was in the inversion thing and blah blah blah. But these are 12 major triads, okay? This is called chromatic because you do it by half step. These are all 12. Okay, so please pause and write them all down. Seriously, write them all down. Okay, good. All right, I've assumed you've written them all down. Now let's play them. Okay, guys, 12 major triads. Here we go. C, E, G, D flat, F, A flat. D, F sharp, A, E flat, G, B flat, E, G sharp, B, F, A, C, G flat, B flat, D flat, G, B, D, A flat, C, E flat, A, C sharp, E, B flat, D, F, and last but not least, B, D sharp, F sharp. Good, guys, very good. All right, let's move on, please, to the minor triads. Okay, let's take a look at it, because you got to write all this down. Minor triads, okay? This is called chromatic because each root is a half step up. Everything's half step up. All right? Now, minor triads, remember, related to the major, they're 1 flat 3, 5. Or the half step formula was 1 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, write them all down, please. Every single one of them. All 12 minor triads. Got it? Okay, let's play them. 12 minor triads. All right, here we go, guys. Now, start with C, E flat, and G. C, E flat, G. Okay, next is C sharp minor triad. C sharp, E, G sharp. D, F, A. E flat, G flat, B flat, G, E, B. I'm sorry, it's E, G, B, my bad. E, G, B, that's E minor triad. And then F minor triad, F, A flat, C. Okay? F sharp minor triad, F sharp, A, C sharp. G minor triad, G, B flat, D. Okay? Stay with me. A flat minor triad, A flat, B, E flat. A minor triad, A, C, E. B flat minor triad. B flat, D flat, F. Very good, you got it. One more. B minor triad. B, D, F sharp. Great, guys. Alrighty. Now let's go on to the diminished. So let's get the slide up. There we go. Thanks to our technical department, we got the slide up. All right, 12 diminished triads. Now, the little circle here, I didn't give you chord symbols on those others, because if it's just a C, all right, it's major. If it's a C, little mi, that's minor. The little circle means diminished. Sometimes people write out dim or something, whatever. I like circle, diminished. All right, now here we go. Please write them all down, all 12 of them, and pause. Good. Okay, now, remember the formula, if you go according to what the major chord was, it's 1, flat 3, flat 5. Okay, now the half step formula is 1 plus 3 plus 3. All right, let's play them. And diminished chords are a lot of fun because you can do the railroad track. And all that kind of fun stuff. All right, here we go. Now, diminished triads, please. Let's get this going too so you can look at it. All right. It's C, E flat, G flat. Next one, D flat, E, G. Next, D, F, A flat. Next, E flat, G flat, A. Next, E, G, B flat. Next, F, A flat, B. Next, G flat, A, C. Next, G, B flat, D flat. Next, A flat, B, D. Next, A, C, A, C, E flat, that's correct. A, C, E flat. Next, B flat, D flat, E. Next, B, D, F. Very good, guys, okay? Now, last but not least, augmented triads. Okay, here we go, guys. Now, the chord symbol is a plus, all right? And I think that's pretty much common. There's no other alternative, I believe. Chord symbols are not an exact science, so if somebody does it a little different way and you're in a band or something, just say, hey, what does that mean? And you don't have to squabble about chord symbols, for God's sake. Now, let's talk about this. You got to write it all down. 12 augmented triads, okay? You got it written all down now, and here we go. It's C, E, G sharp. All right? Now, the G sharp is the plus 5. So according to the major chord, it's 1, 3, plus 5. Or if you want to do half-step formula, it's 1 plus 4 plus 4. All right, here we go. Let's play them. Let's keep this right here. And we have C, E, G sharp. D flat, F, A. D, F sharp, A sharp. E, G, B. E, G sharp, C. F, A, C sharp. G flat, B flat, D. G, B, D sharp. A flat, C, E. A, C sharp, F. B flat, D, F sharp. B, D sharp, G. Good, guys. And augmented are just very unique, okay? And you can do a lot with those as well. A little fun fact, if you invert an augmented triad, okay? Let's get the diagram up here. All right? If I play C, E, G sharp, and then I go where E is my root, look, it's the same. E, G sharp, C. Those are the same notes. Okay? Then I go to G sharp. This is the same. G sharp is same as A flat. Okay? A flat, C, E. And those are just the notes scrambled. So you can have lots of fun. That was a little advanced, but let's do some augmented inversions. Listen carefully. If I take C augmented, C, E, G sharp. Next is E, G sharp, C. Well, that's the same as E augmented. That's what I meant. And then next is G sharp, C, E. And then you go back to A, C sharp, A, E, G sharp. I'm sorry. So augmented are all the same when you invert them. And diminished, we'll talk about that later. Okay, so kids, let's remember the 4 types of triad. Major, minor, diminished, Augmented. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye. See you next time.